In this video, we'll show you how to descale the Barista Express or the infuser. Check the area on your unit circled in red. This video will be for the units that have both the words clean and descale on the LED. For this process, you will need descaler, a 2-liter container, and a spoon. Let's begin by removing the water tank and the water filter. With the water filter removed, fill the water tank with 1 liter of water, or about halfway. Add your descaler to the water tank. Then use your spoon to stir the solution until it has dissolved. Reinsert the water tank. Empty and reinsert the drip tray. Place your 2-liter container underneath both the group head and the steam wand. Let's begin by pressing the power button to turn your unit off. To activate the descale mode, press and hold the 2-cup button, then press and hold the power button simultaneously. The power button, 1-cup button, clean descale light, and hot water steam light should be illuminated solid. Press the 1-cup button to run the descaler through the group head. Rotate the dial to the steam icon to run the descaler through the steam wand for about 10 to 15 seconds. Rotate the dial to the hot water icon to run the descaler through the hot water outlet for about 10 to 15 seconds. Then rotate the dial to the standby position. Repeat this process to descale the group head, steam wand, and hot water outlet until all descaler in your water tank has been used. Once you've run through the descaler, remove and rinse your container, drip tray, and water tank. Reinsert the drip tray. Reinsert your container underneath both the group head and the steam wand. Fill the water tank to the max line with fresh water. Reinsert the water tank. Press the 1-cup button to flush the group head. Rotate the dial to the steam icon to flush the steam wand for about 10 to 15 seconds. Rotate the dial to the hot water icon to flush the hot water outlet for about 10 to 15 seconds. Then rotate the dial to the standby position. Repeat the process to flush the group head, steam wand, and hot water outlet until all water in your tank has been used. Once all the water has been run through the unit, empty and rinse your container, drip tray, and water tank. To complete the descale cycle, press the power button to power off your unit. You have now successfully completed the descale cycle.